Hello students, myself Deepen Singh, your biology teacher. Welcome to all of you in our school's SJEC e-learning YouTube channel. Student, please subscribe to us, learn more and be updated about your syllabus. So students, before starting today's class, we just discuss a little about our previous class. As we know, in our previous video, we just started second unit genetics, first chapter, the principle of inheritance and variation. Now the question is, what is inheritance and what is variation? The transmission of genetically based character means that character which are present in our parents and transferred to us. That genetically based character from parents to offspring, generation after generation, means our grandparents to our parents, from our parents to us, and from us to our next generation. This type of transmission of character is known as inheritance, or it is also known as heredity. There is a one more important factor, and it is variation. The dissimilarities or differences between brother and sister and between parents to their offspring, means as we know the genetically based character transfer from parents to their offspring generation after generation, but there are still some character which are not same. These different character means those character which are not present in our parents, but they are exist in our body, they are exist in their next generation. Those character, those dissimilarities, those differences is known as variation. So in today's class, we just continue our next topic, Mendelian inheritance. Before starting Mendelian inheritance, there is a question: who is Mendel? As we know, the Austrian monk Gregor John Mendel was the first to explain the mechanism of transmission of character from parents to the offspring, generation after generation. Therefore, he is considered to be the father of genetics, and he conducted his historic crossbreeding experiment with garden pea. Scientific name of garden pea is Pisum sativum. Now the question is, what are the reason behind the Mendel success while the other scientists fail? So we can say that a combination of luck, mathematical approach and scientific aptitude contribute to the success of Mendel experiment. He just follow the three methods, which are method of working. Second one is advantages of selecting pea plant, and last is selection of trait. Let's see what is method of working. Means Mendel studied inheritance of one character at a time, whereas earlier scientists had considered the organism as a whole. Means while other scientists studies whole body, whole organism at a time, Mendel just studied a single character at a time. Second one is carried out experiment, means Mendel carried out his experiment up to the second and third generation. Means when he got his first result, he doesn't stop, he just continue from obtained results to the next level. And he also maintained the statistical record of all the experiments and analyzed them carefully. Mendel just record and maintain the lab manuals, maintain the files, each and every point related to his research, related to his experiment, crossbreeding programs, and analyze each and every point very carefully. And the last one is crossbreeding, means mixture of two different thing in a one is known as crossbreeding, was done between the parents of pure line. Parents of pure line means if a plant is tall, then it means a pure character tall, while the other plant is dwarf, it means it carry the pure character dwarf. Clear? Next topic is advantages of selecting pea plant. Why Mendel select pea plant? What are the reasons behind selecting the pea plant? Though as we know it is an annual plant, means it give result in a year. Because of short life, Mendel was able to study several generations of the plant within a short period. Means because of short life, because it gives result in a year, Mendel was able to study. Means he is very comfortfully, carefully, and very easiness with easiness he studied several generations. Its flowers are completely bisexual, completely self-pollinating. Self-pollinating and bisexual means both type of reproductive organ present in a single flower. Androecium, which is male reproductive organ, and gynoecium, which is female reproductive organ. Means there is no chance to pollinate with other type of pollen grain. Means there is no mixing of other character. Because of self-pollination, plants are homozygous. Pure line of plant were available. Means there are no mixing of character. Suppose there are two variety, red rose and white rose. Then the hybrid and mixed line is pink rose. Pure line is red and white one. Clear? And the pea plant produce large number of seed in one generation, so we can say that there is no loss about the plant germination. The last methodology is selection of traits. We can say that trait means characters, those characters which are responsible for crossbreeding. Mendel selected 7 pairs of contrasting character, and luckily all related as dominant and recessive. Now the question is, what is dominant and recessive? Dominant means those characters which hide other characters and more effective characters, and recessive means a weak character which are suppressed by any other dominant and any other strong characters. Clear? These 7 pair of contrasting character were present of different chromosome pair also in a pea plant. What are the 7 contrasting characters? Let's see. These are the 7 pair of contrasting characters. First character is seed shape. The dominant and recessive factor is round and wrinkled. So we can say that the round character is dominant over wrinkled recessive character. Wrinkled character is recessive while the round is dominant. This is represent the seed shape. Seed color is yellow and green. Yellow is dominant while the green is recessive. Seed coat color, colored and white. Pod shape, inflated and constricted. Pod color, green and yellow. Flower position, axial and terminal, while axial is dominant and recessive is terminal. Stem length, long and short. We can also say that tall and dwarf. Clear? So these are the 7 pair of contrasting characters which are proposed by Mendel. Our next topic is crossing techniques. What type of crossing techniques Mendel used to complete his experiment? Mendel conducted breeding experiment in following steps. First step is selection of pure line. In pea plant, he first select what kind of character he crossed with. Mendel allow self-pollination in pea plant for several generations, means there are no mixing of another characters, and proposed that the 7 pair of contrasting character which had selected based true to their character, means if we cross all the character up to 7 generation, means there are no mixing of character, each character produced its original and its genuine character. Example, seed from tall plants produced only tall plants. seeds of dwarf plant produced only dwarf plant. Clear? Second step is hybridization of plants. Hybridization means the process in which we mixed two different characters into a single organism of pure plant, such as emasculation. Removal of anther from the plant is known as emasculation. Masculation means masculine gender, means removal of male part from a flower is known as emasculation. And in the case of flower, the male part is androecium. It produced male gamete pollen grain. Second steps, another level is bagging. Why we use bagging in the plants? The cross pollinated flower were enclosed in separate bags to avoid further deposition of pollen from any other sources. Suppose we crossed two pure line characters, okay, and by any pollinating object and pollinating agents such as water, wind and insect, some different pollen grain also present in that flower, then the may be chance to mixing the characters. To avoid these mixing of character, we use a bagging method. Clear? Next step is self-breeding in F1 hybrids to obtain F2. After getting the result from hybridization process, Mendel allowed to self-pollination, means the seed were again collected and shown. The plant raised were said to belong to second filial generation known as F2. Our next and last step, which is used by Mendel, is self-breeding in F2 plants to obtain F3 of offspring. Means Mendel carried out the result of second generation into cross with F3 point to develop next to next to next up to several generations. Clear? On the basis of this, we can say that Mendel used so much steps and carefully observed each and every point to get succeed. Clear? Thank you.